To create a website like CoinMarketCap, you need to follow a series of steps that involve planning, designing, and developing the site. First, define your project scope and goals, including the features and functionalities you want to include. Identify your target audience and the type of content you will provide, such as cryptocurrency prices, market trends, and news. Next, choose a suitable programming language and framework for your project, such as JavaScript and React, or Python and Django. Select a database management system like MySQL or MongoDB to store your data. You will also need to set up a data scraping system to collect real-time cryptocurrency data from various sources. Design a user-friendly interface using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and create a responsive layout that adapts to different devices and screen sizes. Implement features like search bars, filters, and sorting options to enhance user experience. Use APIs to fetch data from external sources and display it on your website. To handle large amounts of data and traffic, use a robust backend framework and a scalable database system. Implement caching mechanisms and content delivery networks to improve page loading speeds. Ensure the security of your website by using HTTPS, validating user input, and protecting against SQL injection and cross-site scripting attacks. Test your website thoroughly to identify and fix bugs, and optimize it for search engines to improve visibility and ranking. Finally, deploy your website on a reliable hosting platform and maintain it regularly to ensure it remains up-to-date and secure. Throughout the development process, follow best practices like writing clean and modular code, using version control systems, and collaborating with other developers. By following these steps and guidelines, you can create a website like CoinMarketCap that provides valuable information and services to cryptocurrency enthusiasts and investors.